Who doesn't love a checklist? Who doesn't love a checklist? Hey guys, it's Angel from Weekly Welcome Mat, Bakersfield's home and lifestyle channel for you. Hey, listen, if you're having an open house this weekend, we want it to be successful. Look at successful right there. So hey, listen, I want you to get your house sold. I'm trying to help you here. And if you're having an open house this weekend, I want to make sure that you have your house ready. I want to help you out. Let me help you out. So here's the thing. There are 10 tips. 10. Only 10. And here's the thing. I went through it and I just did it nice and simple so that you've got the information that you need to get it just prepared for your open house. Listen, you're going to get the people out. You're going to get the animals out. You're going to get it all nice and tidy. Make the most of your time, right? So this list is 2 quick pages, and I'm going to put the link right here. Paste it, hold it, post it, there. So that link right there, that link right there is going to get you this list. And that's going to make it so that you can just go through and you can put it away. You can, sweep it out. Just a nice, tidy list, because if you're going to go through all of the process that you've been going through, deciding to sell, finding your realtor, if you didn't already know one, because everybody knows a realtor, and then deciding, okay, this is the price, we want to sell it, this is the time, if we get it listed and sold in, 1 to 3 months, it'll be great. We can move in the summer. If you've made all those decisions, yay! So let's make it one and done. Let's have one weekend of open houses and let's get your house sold. So I want you to click the free, F-R-E-E, our favorite 4-letter word, right? Free, F-R-E-E. And download the checklist and you will get your house ready to go. We're going to be talking about things like your kitchen counters, your bathrooms. So I'm trying to help you, and I really want you to get your house ready in the shortest amount of time. So click the link. Have a great day. Have a great open house and respond back. Send me a message and let me know how it goes, because that will be awesome. So free, F-R-E-E, we love that. And then reply back to me. All right? Have a great night.